Every day we're seeing technological advancements that allow design and manufacturing to complete projects faster and faster. In quality assurance, it's becoming almost impossible to keep up with traditional manual practices. Whether it's a red pen or PDF stamping software, and hand-filled forms or typed Excel spreadsheets, our hands can only go so fast. SOLIDWORKS Inspection puts ease of use and automation into your document creation process. Let's see how SOLIDWORKS Inspection enables faster creation of inspection documentation. In SOLIDWORKS Inspection, I can start by opening a manufacturing drawing. With automatic ballooning, I have a balloon print in just a couple minutes. I can then specify any quality information, such as inspection equipment or manufacturing operation. And lastly, I can export the data to a standard Excel-based first article inspection report. I can even customize these forms to contain branding, more or less information, or follow a specific layout. If you're not working with the SOLIDWORKS drawing file, SOLIDWORKS Inspection includes a standalone tool that can create quality packages for various neutral CAD formats, like a DXF or DWG. There's even the capability to use optical character recognition, or OCR, to extract information from a PDF. I simply choose an area to scan for a characteristic, and SOLIDWORKS Inspection will use its comprehensive libraries to find and interpret text on the print. Finally, with SOLIDWORKS Inspection Professional, we can extend beyond the creation of documents. We can enter or import dimensions from our measuring tools like a CMM or digital caliper. Upon doing so, those measurements are even color-coded on the drawing in the Excel spreadsheet, painting a picture that just isn't visualized the same in a plain Excel spreadsheet. SOLIDWORKS Inspection provides a complete solution for quality document creation. We can put away the red pen and the whiteout and create our document packages faster than ever. If you think SOLIDWORKS Inspection could be a good fit for you, let's partner to see exactly how that looks. Consider registering for one of our regular SOLIDWORKS Inspection webinars, and reach out to us at GSC when you're ready to get started.